Here we go. Try to guess the bird. Quiz number 3. There are 20 million of these birds in the world. It is the most common water bird, hunted for both sport and food. There's a prominent white ring around the drake's neck. The name of this bird in French means wild duck. Did you get it? It is our mallard. And here they are, the male and the female. Now they're dimorphic, so the male looks different than the female. And the female's kind of bland, but the male, of course, he has a shiny head and a white collar around his neck. Well, there you go, our mallard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And don't forget to share. Have a great day. Bye.